Guys, come back with me, Sebastian Ayu. I will present about hardware. Hey, what is hardware? Hardware is all type of computer on a computer device that have a physical form, can be seen, touched, and felt. The main function of hardware is to provide support for the computer's main function, such as input, processing, output, secondary storage, and communication. Jadi, hardware ini bisa berbentuk yang bisa dilihat, bisa dipegang, kerasa lah, bisa dibilang begitu. Dan yang kedua, how hardware work, bagaimana hardware itu bekerja. The way hardware work is based on tree-based command or instruction set. With this command, the hardware can carry out various instructions that have been given. One, basic input instruction that can firstly provide information to software. In this case, the operating system, using a driver as an intermediate, for example, when we click on an application with the mouse. Jadi basic input instruction itu seperti kita klik aplikasi memakai mouse ya. Dan yang kedua, basic process instruction. This instruction function as an intermediary between input and output. This input instruction only occur in a piece of hardware, not the entire computer system. Basic output instruction is instruction that occur when there is an order to use the hardware from computer. C. Function of hardware, fungsi dari hardware. Yang first time receive input the first role of hardware is as receiver of input provided by the device user or user. For example, when you turn on the CPU by pressing the on button to turn on the computer. Jadi receive input itu seperti kita menyalakan CPU untuk menyalakan komputer. And second, provide output. Another important role of hardware is to provide a set of function or output required by the device user after receiving input. 3. Place to store information and data. As your computer device ever experience an error when a hardware component damaged. This is because hardware also functions as a place to store information and data such as SD card and RAM. 4. Process information and data. Apart from functioning as a place to store data and information, hardware also functions as a place to process the data and information so that it can be read on your computer screen. Next, C type of hardware, type hardware. In one, input hardware. Input hardware is a type of hardware component used to enter raw data and is a categories and input device. Contoh untuk input hardware seperti pointing device yaitu mouse, touchpad, touchscreen, multi-touchscreen, input, pen, motion sensor, graphic tablet, interactive smartboard, and fingerprint scanner. Untuk audio input device yaitu microphone and mini keyboard, Bluetooth, keyboard, mouse, headset, gamepad, or printer with Bluetooth. Visual and image device yaitu seperti webcam, digital camera, digital camcorder, biometric scanner, and barcode reader. Network device seperti Ethernet hardware and Bluetooth or wireless hardware. Next, processing hardware. Processing hardware is a core component of computer device. Example for processing hardware ini yaitu seperti control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and register and caches. 3. Hardware output. Hardware component that distribute and display data and information are included in the output hardware category. The example of hardware is socket output. 4. Storage hardware. Storage hardware is a component where data is stored which is classified as a memory device. Example of storage hardware is main memory is include RAM, RAM, and ROM. Secondary memory include hard disk drivers, HDD, solid disk drive, SSD. Next. Oh, thank you for watching. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.